All right, so today I'm going to give a little example of how we descale cast iron pipes in the homes. So a lot of homes we go into when there's issues with the clogs is it's cast iron pipe. Cast iron is very old, and what happens is on the inside of the pipe it gets scaled up, and then what happens is stuff going down will catch on to that, could form a clog. So we have a descaling machine. This is a Pacote, and what it is it comes with chain knockers, and these are carbide tips on the chain. That way, as it rotates, it will hit the entire pipe wall, and it expands to the size of the pipe. And what it will do is it will descale the entire pipe. All right, so once we descaled it with the chains, like we just did, we go into it after with sandpaper. And what this is going to do is going to make it as smooth as possible. It's really going to smooth out your walls. Basically, your pipe's going to be like brand new. And that makes it as smooth as possible. The pipes almost look brand new on the inside. It's a way of cleaning the insides of your drain pipes without having to replace them.